Hi, in this CPA marketing tutorial I'm going to show you CPA platforms where you are able to and allowed to add incentives to the offers you promote. And incentives means that you offer some valuable bonuses to motivate people to go for your offer, so to say, to buy it, or perform the tasks necessary for you to get paid through CPA. And one of the networks you can use for that is CPA Lead. At cpalead.com you can find it, and you just click here to sign up and follow the instructions to sign up for free. And here you can find a lot of CPA offers here. Another CPA work where you can use incentives when promoting is Capway, and you can find them at capway.com, and you can just sign up here for free. And yeah, this is the site. So this is another CPA network that you use for promoting with incentives and CPA. Check out and use for a CPA promotion is MyLead. You can find them at mylead.global, and you just click here to register and to get started. Now, would you be interested to earn unlimited $300 paid instantly to your PayPal or Cash App by just posting on social media? Then click the link below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to click and like it and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.